Hello, my wonderful doll-loving friends. This is Annie from Annie's Playhouse, and I have my sweet granddaughter Adira here with me.
Hello.
Because we're going to open some fun Halloween balls. But before we do that, Adira has set up a really cool little spooky scene there, and it appears to me that some teenagers were walking around in the cemetery. Tell us, Adira, what's happening over there.
This guy sees a knife in the ground.
Oh, that is
Right
spooky.
here.
A knife right in the grave?
And he is looking at this weird doll.
Oh, yeah, that looks like a spooky ghoul over there. I don't know if we can see it on the camera as well.
And
But
there's a witch up here.
okay, let's see the witch. Let's go up for the witch.
Witch.
Yep, there she. Ooh, that is spooky. I don't know if we can see the ghoul here.
The ghoul? Oh, yeah.
No, not really.
Because this guy.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's a scary face.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ghoul.
Yep. He's pretty spooky. Okay, let's put the balls over here so people can see it. So we have a little clue about what we have gotten, I think, right?
This one is
Okay, that's good right there.
pumpkins.
It has pumpkins, so we think we're going to get the jack-o'-lanterns.
And then this one is, you can see a bit of a haunted house right here. It's still
Oh
not
my
really
goodness,
focusing.
I would love it
And
if we
you
got the
look
haunted
here,
house.
it's a haunted house.
Oh. All right. Aiden, do you want to open one of these? You can if you want.
Aiden!
Okay, Adira, here you go. Start opening it. Aiden, did you want to open one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Aiden is here too. Okay, so start opening it up.
Wait, where's the thing?
Yeah, if you find the zipper, it's a little bit easier. Okay.
Oh, wait, no, it's
Did you find your zipper, Aiden?
Oh, what? No, I can't find. Oh,
No?
wait, here it is.
Okay.
I thought it was like actually the color of a zipper. Oh.
And that's my grandson, Aiden.
Well, LOL dolls have like an actual zipper looking like a zipper.
Wow, wow,
wow. Oh, get out of here.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, knocking over the cemetery.
why are there 3 layers?
Oh, there's 3?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I did the top layer, the second layer, now there's a 3rd layer.
Oh, wow. Okay. I've not seen that before. There. And then
There's also a table that has bats on it.
Oh, that's cute. Do you want to work on that or do you want this big
No,
table?
too tiny.
Oh, it's cute though. All right, so here's a big table you can work on.
Okay, which one did I open? I think I grabbed the haunted house. Yep. And I grabbed the pumpkin one. Those are pumpkins.
Oh, okay.
I can't open it.
All right, here, let me help
it
you
also
with
came
that.
with plastic in my phone. Oh, it also has this.
Wait,
Oh, that's cute.
And another one. It has pumpkins and bats. It is a little tray.
Oh, wow, look.
Oh,
Wow.
it says something.
Whoa.
Wait, what? Why is it?
Why
Yeah, but you see what that is? It's a gravestone.
It's a gravestone.
What is
Okay, those are, so Aiden got like a little newspaper. It's like a little cartoon.
But what
It
about
says
this?
Spooky party vibes.
What about?
Okay, this gives you directions.
Here's my next package. It's big. It says trick or treat.
Okay,
Am I meant to carve the pumpkin?
I think so.
It
Wait,
has
what?
assorted spooky candies.
Oh, okay. And we all know these are not real candies, right? These are just make-believe things
Yep.
for...
Oh, here are some more.
Sure.
Son of a...
Okay, look. Okay, so there it
We
is,
have
the
the
haunted.
haunted house.
That's what it's going to look like. I think that's amazing.
Pumpkins.
Oh, Aiden got pumpkins. Wait, put it in here so that the camera can see it. A little closer here. Wow.
Cool. Okay, and it's
Okay, let's get it in
Ready?
focus.
How do I
Just
open
1
it?
minute.
red
Okay.
house pieces. is.
Wow,
Aiden,
that
can
is
you-
so cool. All right, those go so
Good
adorable. Aiden, let me see your pumpkins one more
I
time.
can't open them.
Okay, I'll help you. Wow,
Just
these
put
are
tiny
really
mini
cute.
scissors. That would be cool.
And I saw from on the
Let's
front.
see. Okay, let me
you
just.
use a knife to poke out the
Open,
little things in the pumpkin.
Not, oh, look, Aiden, let's
Said
show
open.
the camera the tools you got to go.
I said open.
Wow.
Open.
Okay,
Open.
and that's good.
Open.
Now I'm gonna attach the bat.
Oh, it's a bat.
Yeah.
Now I get it. I didn't know what that shape was. Here, Aiden, I got this open for you. And then let's see the tools. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Whoops. Of course I dropped it.
I want to.
Now you can carry what you made.
Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
They even
These little,
had plastic around the
These little
pumpkin.
tools.
And pum.
That's so cute. Oops, I lost a tool.
I got it.
It's a spoon.
Pumpkin.
Okay.
Okay, let's let Aiden go first with this pumpkin, okay?
I want to show. So,
Where's my tools?
right.
Right here. All right, this is what the pumpkins are going to look like when we're done. No, here's your tool.
Whoa.
Aiden, that's enough.
Okay, here you go, Aiden. Do you want to do the pumpkins or would you like Adira to do it?
I want to do the pumpkin.
Okay, so that is the knife that
Can I
you...
please show them how to cut it off? I'm gonna.
Uh-huh. Oh, there you go. You cut the top off. Okay, now
Bottom.
use the spoon to get the inside of the pumpkin out.
Okay,
Here's your
next-
spoon. And then
Want to
here's...
show them it.
Oopsie. Here's the little table. Do it on the table. You can put this stuff on there, okay? Let's see if I can lower this.
I also
Oh,
have a
there we
pumpkin to
go.
do.
Yep, good job. Okay. If it's too hard to do that way, then that's great. I can see it. That piece went flying. It really has the insides of a pumpkin.
Yeah, this is gonna take a long time. It's gonna take like 20 hours.
No, it won't take that long.
Yeah, I also have a pumpkin to do because
I got to the bottom. I got to the bottom.
Oh, you did? Yay. Oh,
Yay,
dear, you're
there's a
going to do a
little bit.
pumpkin now, too?
Yeah,
Okay.
Aiden, let me. I might just wait for the spoon.
Nice work, Aiden. Aiden, I think you're supposed to now poke the eyes out in the mouth
No, I'm not doing
of the
it yet.
jack-o'-lantern. No, not yet? Okay.
I haven't gotten the entire guts out. Ah,
Yeah, the inside of the pumpkin is made from sand.
what?
So if it gets on you, it won't hurt anything.
Oh, I thought you meant real pumpkins.
No,
so I was
just
like,
this
what?
one,
Pumpkin guts were made out of sand in real life? Whoa, that's amazing.
No.
I actually want to use a different. Wait. I want a different. I want
Okay,
the
now
other
do you have
tool.
the other
Oh
tool?
yeah, I
Oops,
need it. I
okay.
need it.
All right.
Shing.
Now, are you getting the eyes out yet, or you're still working on the inside of the
Still
pumpkin?
work. Wait, maybe
Okay.
I should get the eyes out.
In the sink and everything?
Smiley.
Oh, wow, there it is. You're poking through one?
Poop.
I want to show him. What?
Oh, that's cute.
Monica, this doesn't fit.
Stab. Ching, stab. Ching, stab.
No, be kind to your jack-o'-lantern.
I cut out the face. That's what I was
Yeah,
doing.
I know. I'm just teasing you. All right, now we can put his hat back on. His cap.
The stick really helps to get through where the candle should.
Yeah, okay, don't
Where's
lose the
the
stick because
candle?
Adira's going to need it.
For the
There's a
stick?
candle?
Yeah.
What?
Box
It
of
comes
3
with candles?
Yeah, they don't work
Yeah.
though.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't believe it comes with these
Flying
little
witch.
candles to put in your pumpkin. That's so cute.
Like I wanted to see.
Okay. All right, now Adira's going to poke out her pumpkin's eyes.
First the mouth up. They all came
Oh,
out
they
at
all
once.
came out at once.
Do you love orange?
Let Adira show her pumpkin. There you go.
Wait, it was
Yeah,
there.
good.
Aiden, stop killing my pumpkin.
Oh, you guys.
I finally got it focused, and then Aiden was stabbing my pumpkin.
This is my...
Yeah, you're doing a good job. You had it focused a second ago, Aiden, like right where you were. Oh, there you go. You cut the top off. That's so cute.
Yeah.
There's a little top of the pumpkin. This pumpkin in.
Okay, Aiden had some tweezers.
Okay, good job,
I really
Aiden.
need them right now because there's a little hole in here.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Well, I
yeah.
bet yours comes with tweezers.
Yeah, I don't know where they went.
Here, let's find them. They're right there, look.
Oh, okay, thanks.
That's amazing that we got my two favorite things. Those are the two things I was hoping for.
Wait, what?
Yeah, there's a total of, let's see, you can get the haunted house, that's this one, or you can get the monster drinks, which do look like fun, but I didn't really want those. Or you can get the pumpkins, which is super cute. Or you can get the shrimp cocktail, which has like
A hand.
a hand that is kind of gross. I didn't really want that either. So I got
I think it's cool.
we got the two favorite. Well, yeah, they're all cool, really, but I just got my two favorite ones.
That's lucky.
I know. It's okay. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's so cute. I love it. That is really adorable. Oh, very cute. Okay, Aiden's doing well with his second pumpkin.
Chapstick.
Okay, I am gonna do the gingerbread house. That's a Halloween haunted house.
That's a cute idea, right? That they made it.
Stabbed through the triple layer pumpkin.
And can you? And right now I'm unpacking. Okay.
All
And
right.
can you?
Are both your pumpkins finished now, Aiden? It's Adira's turn to make her haunted house.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Okay. First piece is this. Well, the front of the gingerbread house. It has 3 windows, 1 door, and 1 little what do they call it? Gravestone.
Gravestone. Is that purple? It's purple. It's going to be a purple gingerbread house. Okay.
Yeah. Here is. I think that might be the side or
the back. I think it's the back.
Okay. The back.
Yeah, that's cute.
It also has 3 windows, and that's all. And can you motion sensor? I think that's one part of the side. 2 windows. If it would just focus.
And-
Finally. Okay, we have. Oh, this is cute. We have some purple.
Oh, they're bones. Okay.
Purple spiders and black bats.
Okay. All right. Now let's see.
Oh, we also have these.
Yeah, the little ghosts are
Cookies.
adorable. All right. So put your house together.
I can't do it without the resin. I said so. They can shimmy around. They have space and they shimmy around.
Okay. All right. I'm going to pause this video. Maybe we can just do that off camera.
Okay.
So this is the little scene that Adira and I put together for, it's like a little Halloween party that the dolls are having with the creations that Aiden and Adira made with the MiniVerse Halloween capsules. So in the foreground here, we have a mommy, and she has her little boy dressed up as a dragonfly, and she's sort of making him feel like he's flying. And then there's another mommy there, and her little girl is the one with dressed as a flower. And then in the background, there's a mommy dressed as a mermaid with her little daughter dressed as Ariel from The Little Mermaid. And in the foreground, we have a dad with his little girl dressed as a bumblebee. I just think it's such a cute little scene. And the little haunted house and the jack-o'-lanterns really add to the festivities. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, see if we can get a better look at those jack-o'-lanterns up on the mantle. There they are, really cute. I just wish, those little candles that go inside of them actually lit up. Wouldn't that be amazing and very magical? And then here we have the little haunted house, and that was a little tricky to put together, I'll be honest. The pumpkins, I think, are pretty easy for any age group. Aiden is only 5, he just turned 6, so he was able to empty out the pumpkins and poke in their eyes, and he did 2 of them, and then Adira did 1, and both of the kids had fun doing that. And then the haunted house is a little bit tricky. Adira said she hurt her thumb trying to press it together because the pieces sort of snapped together for the main part of the haunted house. And then she did decorate it. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. She did glue on the ghost and the cobwebs and the other there's bats on top of the roof, and there's bones on the other side, and it's very, very, very cute. So, and it sits on this, like a little gravestone platter. Whoops. Okay. So this is what the back of it looks like, and the side of it. Very cute. And I think adorable in a little dollhouse like this. So she didn't want to make it too spooky. She wanted it to feel like, the dolls were having an age-appropriate party where it's just fun Halloween and not really scary at all. So I want to thank you so much for joining Adira and Aiden and I for this fun little Halloween unboxing and creation. And we hope you have a very happy Halloween. Take care of yourself and those you love, and enjoy your hobby as much as we enjoy ours. I send you my love. Happy Halloween.